Hey everyone, it's Dylan Dubo here. I got a package in the mail from eBay, and as you can see, I opened it a bit. I opened it up a little bit because I thought maybe it wouldn't take so much time. So yeah, let's open this. And I know it's one of my VHS tapes, and I also brought Mr. Scissors. Kind of hard to cut it with just one hand, but let me try the side with the side. I was going to cut it on the side. Yeah, so I got a VHS today from eBay. And as you can tell, it's a Disney one. But yeah. And it's in bubble wrap. Oh joy. Yeah, it's in bubble wrap. I may have to put the camera down. Sorry about that. And there we go. So here's what I got. This is a 1988 summer promotional demo tape from Disney. And this consists of Walt Disney Mini Classics, Mickey and the Beanstalk. And the other side, we get Disney's DuckTales, Fearless Fortune Hunters. So here's the front. Here's the side. And it says pre-book date, April 28th. And street date was May 31st. So this is probably like a release date or something. And then here's the top. It says, please note, this videotape is for promotional purposes. 1988, Walt Disney. And the tapes. And there's the label, it came off. Yeah, I may have to tape the label back on. I don't see a print date. But yeah, here's the label. I can't read the... Looks like it's... Hold on. Looks like it says 73 minutes. So, yeah. I'll probably have to tape the label back on, but yeah. But yeah, that's what it basically is, a Disney demo tape from 1988, which I'm really happy to have. Anyways, that's my unboxing of Disney's 1988 summer promotion demo tape. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Peace out, fans.